What if AI surpasses human intelligence? Are we heading toward a future where machines make all the decisions? In the AI revolution, the road to superintelligence, Tim Urban explores how artificial intelligence is evolving, and what happens when AI becomes smarter than us. Will superintelligent AI solve humanity's greatest challenges? Or will it become the biggest threat we've ever faced? The rise of artificial intelligence AI is already transforming. 1. Work, automation is replacing human jobs. 2. Society, AI influences how we interact and think. 3. Decision-making, AI is being used in government, finance, and healthcare, but what happens when AI outthinks humans? The path to superintelligence: experts predict that AI could reach human-level intelligence this century. Then, it might rapidly surpass us. Could AI develop its own goals? What if those goals don't align with human interests? Can we control something smarter than us? This book explores these urgent questions. The danger of unchecked AI. Urban explains that once AI surpasses us, it may become unpredictable. 1. Will it help us achieve utopia? 2. Or will it render humans obsolete? 3. How do we ensure AI remains aligned with human values? The time to think about these issues is now. Final thoughts: AI could be humanity's greatest invention, or its last. How we approach AI today will define our future. What do you think? Are we ready for superintelligence? Comment below and subscribe for more AI insights.